Hi, David. It was great talking with you. I wanted to send you this quick website audit as promised to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So in this video, I'm going to go over a couple of easy ways to beat your competition online. Now, I know that most business owners are extremely busy and they don't necessarily have the time to handle all of the marketing needs of their businesses. So I started making these videos just to kind of give some tips and recommendations, and hopefully it's helpful to you. If you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss any of this further, I'd love to hop on a call and talk, but either way, this video is 100% yours to keep. So the three things we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the home page here, all the text within your images, and what your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like kitchen remodel San Antonio, that's a really good one, bathroom remodel San Antonio, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. So looking at your website, I can see that it's relatively new, and I really like the information that you listed on it. It's important for potential customers to understand you and your business and the content you have. It really speaks to your expertise in the field, which is awesome. I'd recommend adding, any awards down here, maybe some testimonials. Those go a long way to really build trust. They're always great ways to enhance the visitor's experience too. So one suggestion I have also is to dedicate some service pages up here. So if you have a non-clickable menu service tab up here, and then you just list out all the services that you offer separately, that can also really help those pages to rank. So let's say you have kitchen remodel under services, and then bathroom remodel, and then you have what you want to strive for content-wise is 500 words per service page. So what the typical rule of thumb is for me that I go by is one keyword phrase for every 100 words. So if you had the service pages at 500 words, you'd want to have anywhere from 3 to 5 keywords. And you want those to be organically spread throughout the content on those pages. Overall, I really like your site. The main thing I would say that you definitely will want to do here is make sure you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. And it looks like when I copy and paste all this into my word counter, it looks like you have about 270 words. So you'll want to add a lot more relevant keyword-rich content to hit that 1,500 word mark. And you can do that by using, 10 to 15 keywords, kind of following the same rule of thumb that I told you about for the content on the service pages. So really nice pictures, really nice layout. I like the theme, and all the design is really good too. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. So the thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. For example, a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company would be a really good one for you, or a popular website that features various types of home services. That would be another good one. So something that has to do with the services you offer, you'll get much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza or Macy's department store, for example. So a tool that I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs. It gives you a ton of really valuable data on the traffic coming into your website. So I went ahead and put your website up here into Ahrefs, and it looks like you don't have any backlinks as of yet, or websites pointing back at you, and it looks like you have 0 for your organic traffic. So that tells me that you don't have any website visits in the last 30 days. You don't have any traffic coming into your website. So it's important to start building your site's backlinks because you're losing out on a lot of potential clients by not having backlinks up right now. Now, compared to your top competitor in San Antonio, Legacy Bath and Kitchen, I'm sure you've heard of them. They have backlinks that are higher quality, and therefore they have more power and tons of organic traffic. So you can see, they have 248 backlinks, and then they have 470 website visits in the last 30 days. So a good amount of traffic coming in. Now, a strategy we tell our clients to use to get that same kind of influence and power as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have, and then continue to keep adding more and more, so you'll end up surpassing them while gaining more and more power to your site and a lot more organic traffic, and of course, new customers. So the last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations. So citations are very important because if someone wants a service now, what they're most likely going to do is go up to Google and type in, kitchen remodel San Antonio, for example, if that's what they're looking for. And then they're going to look here at the local map pack and think that these 3 businesses are the very best of the best for this particular service. And why wouldn't they think that? They have ratings, there's reviews there. But the reason why they're up here is not necessarily because they are the best in the field. It's because they have the most citations. So citations are anywhere on the internet where your name, your phone number, and your address are listed in different directories, such as Yelp, Facebook, and Yellow Pages, just to name a few. So again, what we tell our clients, same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. You go in and whatever directories your competition is being listed in, you list yourself in those exact same directories. Then you add on a space cushion of, let's say, 20 to 30% more directories than your competition. Over time, what's going to happen is you'll end up infiltrating this Google My Business map pack right here. And you're going to be at the top before your competitors realize it. They're not going to be able to catch up because you'll just keep adding on more backlinks, more citations, and taking on all of that new business. So here is my website. This is my company, Lobo Leads, and here's my phone number. If you have any questions at all, I'd love to talk with you. I want to let you know how much I appreciate you watching this video, and I definitely hope to hear back from you soon. Thanks.